Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add background in video editor of Windows 10. So if you want to add background, just click on add title card and you will see this option. Now if you want to add background, just click on add background and you can change the color as you want. So I am going with this color. Okay, I think white color is not good, just going with this color. Okay, and click on done. Now we have successfully the mm, add the title card here, so just click here and then click on edit and click on text. So if you want to add the text here, just write the text. For me, I want to add the text related to running, so here is the text which I want to. Yeah, okay, so you can also select different styles as well. So which one is good? I think this one is good. Okay, and click on done. Okay, now play. Okay, if you want to add the music or background music, just I think this one is good. Click on done. Now play. Hope you like this little tutorial on how to add background in video editor of Windows 10. If you have any question related to this video editor, you can ask me in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.